In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily scan QR code on any Android smartphone. Today, I'm gonna use Samsung Galaxy S23. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and actually I'm gonna show you two different methods, and the first method is using our device's camera. I'm just gonna launch Camera app. And using our default Android camera app, we can just point our camera at a QR code and it will automatically detect a URL in it. Here is a Facebook link, and right from here, from our camera app, we can, I'm just gonna do it one more time. I think we need to relaunch it to get it worked again. Here it is. I can just tap right here to follow that URL. Now it says that your connection is not private. That's because facebook.com is blocked in my country and I haven't turned VPN. But basically, I think you got the point. That's how we can easily, using our camera app, follow any QR code that we may find somewhere around us. And now I'm going to show you another way. Let's say we took a screenshot of some QR code to follow that QR code later. Here, as you can see, at gallery we have that photo, and then to follow the URL that is encrypted in our QR code. For some reason, unfortunately, we cannot use default camera app. However, we can on any Android smartphone pre-install Google Photos app, and now we need to open it up. Here is that file, and now first off we need to hit right here where it says Lens. It will scan that document, and as you can see, it has already detected the URL which leads us to facebook.com and then someone's page's name. We can tap right here to follow that URL. Basically, guys, these are the two methods how we can easily scan QR codes on any Android smartphone. And also, guys, there is one more thing. If for some reason I almost forgot to explain you that moment, if you point your camera at a QR code and it doesn't detect that URL here, it means that you need to go to your camera settings. You can easily do so by hitting at that gear, and that's where you just need to activate the option that is called something like scan QR code, maybe show camera suggestions, something like that. And once you activate it, you will be able just to point your camera at a QR code to scan it. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.